Hello students, this is another MCQ in the series of IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics previous year's MCQs. So in this particular video, I have solved one question and the question is like, let x is any binomial variate with n equal to 2 and p equal to 1 by 2. Then we have to find expectation of 2 upon 1 plus x. And 4 options are provided here. So students, x is any binomial variate, so with n equal to 2 and p equal to 1 by 2. So n is 2, p is 1 by 2, so p is 1 by 2, it means what? It means q is 1 minus 1 by 2 because q is 1 minus p. So that is q is also 1 by 2. Now, as we know, the formula of expectation of x in discrete approach, that is summation x into associated probability mass function. So on the basis of this particular formula, I have evaluated expectation of 2 upon 1 plus x because it is demanded in the question. So that will be 2 upon 1 plus x into associated PMF. And here in the binomial, we take x from 0 to n, but here n is equal to 2. That is why x is from 0 to 2 into 2 upon 1 plus x as it is, and into associated PMF, that is NCX means 2CX, P to the power x means 1 by 2 whole power x, Q to the power n minus x means 1 by 2 whole power 2 minus x. So ultimately it is summation x equal to 0 to 2, 2 upon 1 plus x as it is, 2CX, and this term into this term will be 1 by 2 whole square, or it may be written like here, this 2 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 2 before summation. Summation x is 0 to 2, 2cx into 1 upon 1 plus x. So what I have done here, I have expanded this summation. 1 by 2 is a common term. It is 2c0, 1 upon 1 plus 0, plus 2c1, 1 upon 1 plus 1, plus 2c2, 1 upon 1 plus 2. So on simplifying this one, and here I have evaluated few values of 2c1 here and 2c2 here. So as we know, 2c0 is 1, 2c1 is 2, and 2c2 is 1. So ultimately it will be just like this expression, and on evaluating this expression we will be getting a simple, very simple process. It is, the value will be 7 by 6 and it will be one of the options given in the question. Yes, it is the option number A. So A is the correct option here. Thank you so much students for watching this video.